What if you could create characters that feel so real they practically jump off the page? With the magic of AI, you can turn your creative visions into reality without the usual headaches. In this tutorial, we'll reveal simple yet powerful techniques to help you effortlessly design perfect, consistent characters that captivate and engage your audience. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent characters in AI-generated images. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. To generate these AI characters for free, we'll be using Leonardo AI. You can click the link in the description to visit the website. The first step is to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account. Once you've done that, enter a username and select what you're interested in, then click Next. Next, click New Image. On the left side of the page, you'll select the number of images to generate. Then, choose the image dimensions and aspect ratio. Finally, enter a prompt describing how you want the image to look. The best images come from detailed prompts, and ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect prompt for your character. Simply describe the character to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt. Once ChatGPT has created the prompt, copy and paste it into Leonardo AI. Then click Generate and voila! Your first AI-generated character will appear. To create consistent characters across multiple images, I recommend naming your character and tweaking the prompt slightly for each new image. For example, you can modify the prompt so the character is dancing, studying, exercising, and more. Just click Generate again for each new image. Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens every day to create images. If you need more tokens, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're still with me, you might want to check out this video where I share my journey trying to make $450 per day creating logos with AI. While it doesn't directly relate to this tutorial, it offers another exciting opportunity that could inspire your own creative projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content on AI tools and creative techniques. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.